Today, we are uncovering a chilling series of events that may signal a growing biowarfare threat to the United States. It all started with the arrest of Chinese scientists attempting to smuggle biological materials through U.S. airports. One of them, Liu Zunyang, was stopped at Detroit Metro Airport. In his backpack, customs agents found a crumpled tissue hiding toxic fungal samples. Initially denying any knowledge, Liu later admitted the material was Fusarium graminearum. This fungus can devastate crops like wheat and corn. It produces toxins harmful to humans and livestock. Experts call it a dual threat to both agriculture and public health. Federal prosecutors didn't mince words. They described this incident as one of the gravest national security threats in recent years. Liu wasn't acting alone. His girlfriend, Jian Yunqing, was also arrested. Jian, a researcher at the University of Michigan, had ties to the Chinese Communist Party. Text messages revealed she smuggled plant pathogens in her shoes. Back in 2022, she worked in a lab that specialized in plant pathogen interactions. Soon after, another Chinese scientist, Han Changshuan, was detained. She allegedly smuggled biological materials related to roundworms. All three individuals had connections to Chinese institutions. The incidents point to a pattern. These scientists were embedded in U.S. research labs. Their goal? Allegedly to exploit American knowledge for hostile ends. The idea of agroterrorism has gone from fiction to fact. China experts say this is part of a broader strategy known as unrestricted warfare. It means warfare beyond traditional weapons, using science, agriculture, and even students as tools of espionage. Dr. Lawrence Sellon, a retired U.S. colonel, compared this situation to early bioengineering related to COVID-19. Jian had published research on genetically enhancing fungi to produce lethal toxins. This research isn't abstract theory. A modified fungus could cripple U.S. agriculture, damage food security, and trigger public panic. It's a Trojan horse strategy, hidden in plain sight. The University of Michigan has pledged to investigate. But scrutiny is growing over how many Chinese nationals are embedded in key research programs across the U.S. Many are loyal to the CCP. Some Chinese scholars sign loyalty contracts before coming to the U.S. Others leave family members behind as a guarantee of obedience to Beijing. That's not just political, it's tactical. National security experts like Claire Lopez warn that China's military doctrine includes bioattacks on humans, animals, and crops. Researchers may be unknowingly part of a larger intelligence operation. Meanwhile, Congress has launched an inquiry into how U.S. universities handle Chinese student admissions in STEM. Lawmakers want answers from institutions like Stanford and Purdue. A recent letter from the House Select Committee on the CCP warns that the student visa system may be Beijing's Trojan horse, granting open access to sensitive technology and labs. In light of this, it's critical to ask, are we protecting our food supply, our health, and our sovereignty? If not, we may already be under attack without even knowing it. If you found this story important, please consider supporting our work. Your donation helps us continue investigating critical threats that others overlook. Visit the link in the description